What's up guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. And today we will take a look into the Tezos price chart and also in the RSR Reserve Rights chart, and we will take a look what our potential next price targets are and also in which time window we can expect these price targets to happen. But before we are getting started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you guys are brand new, and of course the first link in the video description is my Patreon account. There you get access to all my portfolio and trading updates live and in real time. Also there you get access to my Discord community where you can chat with all community members, also including me. So looking forward to see you guys there. And now let's get straight into the analysis. Right now we are in the Tezos chart, and you can see right here this red line that is already titled with all-time high, because yesterday I already made a post on my Patreon that this is something that we should looking at right now. And yeah, today I not expect this to blast through this all-time high and go this high today, because you can see here the high today $5.44, and the open was $4.11. so that is very that is a huge increase. You can see also right here 26% in the profits today, so that is of course very nice. But also I mentioned this in lots of videos, when we have this dynamic breakthrough through the all-time high, we always have to expect a pullback down to the old all-time high. So something like this here, for example, that we are going back, testing the old all-time high, and then the next wave up is starting. You can see this pretty good. Just for example, like here, for example, in the total market cap, you can see here these blue lines that you are seeing right here, that is the old all-time high. We broke through dynamically, retested it, then some sort of consolidation, and right now you can see what is happening. So that is always what we have to consider when something like this happens. But I also want to show you, for example, just a quick digress before we are going into the price prediction for Tezos. For example, here in Ontology, that was also a trade that I made right on my Patreon here, where we had the first daily candle close at 75 cents above this. So when we're making this breakout out of the bearish trend right here, out of this bearish zone, and I got in right here, also saying that I'm always expecting to retest the old level, so the support level right here. But you can see sometimes it just will go higher. So that is also something in crypto right now, something that we also have to consider. But right now let's get into the price target for Tezos. So let me first say, before we are getting into the price target, that this price target right now where I'm making this video is not active, because we didn't have the daily candle close above the old all-time high. I know right now it is looking like we are closing above the old all-time high, but when we are going this parabolic, it can also happen that we are coming back down very quickly. I just want to mention this price target that I will show you right now is just active when we have the daily candle close above the old all-time high. So let's take a look where our next potential price target is. And today we had the breakout, so we are assuming that today this candle will close above the old all-time high. And also if this should be the case, then of course also the time window would be extended right here. But as I said, we are assuming that today we will close above the old all-time high. No, that wasn't what I want to do. So let's clone this right here, and then we would have a new price target in Tezos of $7.65 till the 14th of August this year. And also let me say, because maybe you're thinking right now, wow, that is half year away right now. I have also to mention that the first rectangle is always very likely to break, to get a daily candle close above the price target that we are aiming for. It is very likely that we will get this way earlier than here the 14th of August. You will also see this in a moment in the RSR price chart, because there we have exactly what I'm talking about right now. But in Tezos, this would be the price target. So the price target is $7.65, and we have time for this price target till the 14th of August, and very likely we will go, or we will reach this high earlier. But that is my next price target that I'm aiming for right here in Tezos. And now let's go directly into the RSR chart so I can show you what I mean. You can see here also we have this rectangle, then we have here our next price target. I also made a video about this. I think it must be here more than a month old. You will also find this on my channel, and you can see here also we had the 8th of May as time window, but you can see we are breaking out of this today. Today you see that we also already have a daily candle close above this, but that is because this chart here is from Huobi, and so the time zone is a different one, and that is why the daily candle closes for me happen always in the, I think in the afternoon. So that is why we also have the daily candle close right now above this price target that I had. But what I want to show you is that we are reaching, or we have reached, this price target way earlier than our time window. So that is what I want to show you here back into the Tezos chart, so that it is likely that in the first rectangle the price target will be reached earlier. So that is the higher probability. And now in RSR, yeah, we have reached the price target, and now what we can do is we can just put the next rectangle on top of this, because 3 to 5 rectangles is normal for a trend, and after 3 I would expect at least a little correction. But from this third rectangle we can get our next price target, and here in RSR the next price target you can see would be at 9.4676 cents in a time window till the 17th of June. So that would be, yeah, a little bit more than 4 months right now. And also here it is likely that we will break this before, but after the third rectangle I would be a little bit more carefully, because then it is always likely that we are having a little correction. But sometimes also this is extended and we get 5 rectangles. But to judge this, so I cannot judge this right now because we don't have the information right now, I would take a look at the general market when we are hitting the third rectangle, and also how the candles are looking like. And then of course you will get an update on this on my channel. You also get the real-time updates on my Patreon account. As I said, it is the first link down in the video description, and as soon as there are some news you will get it right here or right on my Patreon. And then in the end of the video I also want to show you this one right here, the Bitcoin dominance. It is falling like predicted. It is falling like a stone, and that is exactly what we want to see as altcoin investors. You can see right here in the altcoins, green, 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 everything is green, and Bitcoin here is, yeah, it's not doing bad of course, but the altcoins are performing way better than Bitcoin right now, and that is what I like to see. And in the end, let's get the final summary. In RSR, the price target is 9.4723 cents. In Tezos, the price target is $7.65.97 cents. So that is the price target in Tezos. And if you have any questions about this, or if you have another opinion, then feel free to write them down in the comments. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like, subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out any future updates, and of course make sure to check out the Patreon account. It is the first link in the video description. It is absolutely worth it. That's it for this video. See you in the next one, and as always, have a nice day.